Is this the world's best body wash? What's up, YouTube fam? In this video I want to share this body wash that I've been using for like all year, like the past 8-9 months. First, my daughter wanted it. I guess she maybe had seen commercials, seen influencers using it, and she was like, let's get native. And so I'm in the store and it's on the expensive side. I usually use like soft soap or just brands that don't cost as much. I think these are like over $10 per bottle. So she was like, let's get some native, let's try it. And I'm just like, so the first time I made her buy it with her money, and then I just started buying it because I ended up liking it. So is this the world's best body wash? Let's talk about it. So I said I've been using it for like the past 8-9 months, and since I started using it, I've used 3 different scents. So I first started off with the blue one. So each scent has like and this is kind of bright, so y'all will see in the other clips in the video, but each scent has a different color. But the first one we got was like a cotton and something. I don't have any more of it, but a cotton and something scent, and it was in like a blue color scheme. We used it. I had like a 2-pack bottle from Amazon, and it was nice. It was cool. So the good thing about Native is it's sulfate free, paraben free, dye free, phthalate free. So pretty much it's good for putting on your body. So I'm super conscious of like what I put in my body, what I put on my body, just more and more lately. And this is just a healthier option, and that's typically, unfortunately, healthier options are typically more expensive. So this stuff is expensive. So it's so bright, but I'll insert clips of everything. This is the Sweet Peach and Nectar body wash, and this is 18 fluid ounces. I'll look up the prices and just put them in the description, some links to the body wash on Amazon, and put it in it for y'all. But I really love this stuff, and it really is good with making sure that your hygiene is on point throughout the day. It's like the scent lingers on you for a long time throughout the day. So this is the Sweet Peach and Nectar one. And then I just used it, I showed y'all, but this is the Lavender and Rose, the newest scent we tried. So pretty much all year, once we tried it that one time, this is all I've been buying all year. So it's expensive. I think it lasts a while. It's pretty concentrated, so it's like, it's not watered down. And I think it lasts a good amount of time for the money, the value. But yeah, this is the Lavender and Rose. And this is definitely my favorite scent so far. Come on, light. This light does not want to cooperate with me, but yeah, you can see it a little bit better now. But yeah, it smells so good. And then the Lavender and Rose one, what I really like about it is it has like this aromatherapy scent, so it's really calming, really good for like self-care Sunday. Rundown of the ingredients. This is what I really like too. So it's like you're being conscious of what you're putting on your body, and it gives you a rundown of a breakdown of the ingredients. Let's see if I can. So it gives you a breakdown of the scientific name of the ingredient, but it also says what that ingredient means. So it's not just like a bunch of words and you're like, what is this? What does this mean? What is this product? So for example, water, it says, you know, this one. So 1 column ingredient, 1 column what it actually means, and then coca mitoprobial betaine. Like, we always get these type of things and we look at them like, what is that? But it says that means it's a cleanser derived from coconut oil. Could have just said that, but I think for purposes of putting this stuff on the market, they got to have the scientifically correct term. So then for sodium I'm saying like I don't know this one, sodium chloride salt, and it says what this actually means. It's table salt to thicken the body wash. So they're telling us what it actually is and what the purpose, what the intent is, like why it's in the product. And this is kind of interesting, so I just want to run down. So then sodium lauryl sarcosinate cleansing salt. So it's a different type of salt, but for cleansing. Sodium cochial isethionate. It's a cleanser derived from coconut oil. So a lot of the cleansers are derived from coconut oil, and then salts. Another one, sodium cyclisate. It's just sodium salt. Then sodium benzoate. It's just food grade salt. Then citric acid, which it says is food grade acid for pH balance, which is good. We want our pH to be balanced. And that's another thing with these body washes. Sometimes when you're in your like certain areas of your body that you want to remain smelling good, like your underarms, your private areas, I've noticed that this kind of keeps you smelling good in certain areas, important areas throughout the day. So that's, I think, another reason why I keep buying it. It's only a few more. I just don't get why they have to have the names be so complicated. So I really do like that this brand does that. This breaks it down. I'm not even gonna do the other ones, but just know that this is a good thing. It's telling you what's actually in the product, so you know what's being put on your body and the purpose. So yeah, I have these two. These are the second and third scents that I tried. I also had for vacation, because I liked it so much, the coconut and vanilla travel size. I gotta get my lighting together for real. Okay. I look so stupid trying to do this, but this was just the travel size. I took it to my trip this summer, Turks and Caicos, because I just loved it so much. So again, this is, to me, one of the best body washes that I've used so far. This video is not sponsored. I bought these myself. Again, I initially tried it because my daughter was like, Mom, let's try Native, blah blah. And again, it's really good for your body. You know, it's cruelty free, and they actually tell you what's in the product. And so y'all, I love this brand so much, so far anyway. If I find something better, I'll let y'all know, or if I try something new, I'll let y'all know. But I was like, let me share it with my YouTube fam, because I've been liking it. Obviously I done bought 3-4 different scents now, the travel size, even to the point where I was like, let's try the deodorant. So I actually got, let me see, okay, so yeah, this is the Native deodorant. It's 2.65 ounces, so good for like your carry-on. And this one, the top is on backwards. It's cherry and vanilla macaron, paraben free, aluminum free. This smells so good. I forgot how good this smells. This, I should drop the top. This cherry and vanilla macaron, it smells so good. But I will say, so this is the only deodorant I've bought so far. I will say it doesn't quite do the job as far as keeping you dry, as far as sweat goes. So I tried something, I found something new that my sister put me on to, so I will share that with y'all in the next video, because it's a game changer. Like, it really keeps you, not this one, not this Native, but the video right now is strictly on the Native body wash. I just had to show y'all. I love the brand so much that I bought the deodorant too. But I'm gonna share in my next video the game changing, I really do think this is the world's best deodorant. I'll share that in my next video. But thanks so much for watching. I'm really loving these world's best videos. I think it's gonna be my thing, at least for a little while, because it's just sharing like products that I really like, or I thought I was gonna like, and letting y'all know if it was good or not. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I haven't said that in a while, but because I figure if you like my content, if you like me, you'll subscribe. If not, you keep it moving. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, and let me know if y'all have tried Native body wash before, which I think of it, but or if you're debating, maybe you click this video because you're debating on trying the Native. It's a little pricey, like should I try it? But yes, I definitely recommend the Native body wash. Keeps you smelling good. Like I said, this lavender and rose has been my favorite scent so far as far as the body wash. And for the deodorant, the cherry and vanilla macaroon smells super good. It just doesn't do the job to keep you dry and keep you smelling good, underarms, everything throughout the day. It just smells good when you first put it on, but it just doesn't do the job. But this right here, this body wash, this lavender and rose, it just smells so good for a self-care Sunday, just after a long day at work, just to relax and just have the aroma in the shower. It just smells so good. So let me know if you have tried Native, if you think you're going to try it, if you think it's worth the money. But I definitely do. I definitely think it lasts a long time. The quality is good. You know what you're putting on your body, and so definitely recommend. Definitely one of the world's best body washes that I've tried so far.